Yeah, I can try that.
I can hear more.
Yeah, there's a ton. All the homies. Come on, buddy.
Come on. You can hear them.
I don't think you can see it on his hat.
I think they can.
Another bird. Get the food.
Get his hat. See, they see the food right there. So they're not getting unattended.
Should I move back?
Move closer towards the food. Sit on the food.
What if I do this?
Perfect.
Like we're taking a picture.
A slow-mo.
So guys, I'm just hanging out here over at the place of the birds. Can't move my head. Give me a fucking bird. Effing bird. Nope.
This is Jeremy. We are doing our item of the day today, and the item of today was actually requested via Instagram Messenger, if that's what you call it. So we are talking about this bad boy right there. That bad boy right there. So what this is, guys, this is a microphone. This is the Rode Video Micro, if I got that correctly. And what a Video Micro does is it's a shotgun mic, which means that inside of the dead cat, is a long mic that comes out and it pulls the volume from right in front of you. So instead of using the onboard audio that comes onto your phone or your camera, which is usually crap and usually omnidirectional, which gets the audio from everywhere, this actually targets the audio in front of you. So if the microphone's here and I'm filming, it's going to get all the volume of voice that I have come to me and nothing in the back and none of the audio that's happening around if you do it correctly. Now, of course, it's going to change if you have a lot of audio and stuff in the background, but it still makes it better. So for those of you that are interested in vlogging, interested in making better content for your YouTube channel, for your Instagram stories, for your videos, and transferring it over, and this will actually fit onto your phone. You have to get a little adapter for it. I'm going to link this up. You guys do a swipe up and you guys will be able to see it. This is actually very, very reasonable in price. Rode is the audio king, and they will make bigger and better things for you if you are interested as well. But I highly recommend starting with this. So for those of you who are getting into the just having poor audio, worried about it, this is what you're getting for. Swipe up, grab it, Rode Video Micro. Boop, 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 boop. Cool little red cord. What's up, guys? Today's item of the day, it's nighttime, is part of the vlogging series that we're doing because it was requested. So we are doing the Manfrotto mini tripod, guys. This thing is awesome. Manfrotto is a huge company in the photography industry, light stands, tripods, stuff like that. This is a mini light stand. So this thing is awesome. It's on a ball, and all you have to do with this is push this button and it moves. It's small enough that you can actually take it off of this by turning it, and then you can put it in your pocket if you need to. This thing is awesome for any type of camera. I think it'll even hold a DSLR. I mean, it's pretty sturdy and pretty stable. This thing is awesome. So you guys are gonna have a swipe up link in the next couple stories, and you guys will be able to snag this. I love this. This is a great gift for photographers. If you are a photographer, videographer, a great thing to have in your bag. I, of course, use this for vlogging, like so. And then having my thumb on this thing, and I can just move my camera wherever I need to super quick without having to take it off. And the cool thing with this, if you guys are vloggers, is that it doesn't block most of the bottom of the cameras, so you never have to take it off when you have to switch out your lens or your memory card or your battery. That's it. Swipe up. Bye.
A slow-mo.
So guys, I'm just hanging out here over at the place of the birds. Can't move my head. Give me a fucking bird. Effing bird. Nope. I'm so warm though. Please don't land on my phone. Land on my head. They're like, that's my guy. No, they're making out. That's how my hand is whenever I shoot. They're always cold. Ah! Hey, buddy, he's hanging. Yeah, cool. Cut it.
Hey guys, today's item of the day for y'all it's actually pretty simple, and I think everybody has these, but these is what I use and I buy them all the time. So these are memory cards, guys, and these are SD cards. So more specifically, I use SanDisk cards for everything that I do. Focus on it, focus on it. SanDisk cards for everything that I shoot. And these are 64 gigabytes, 95 megabytes per second. And what that means is I can shoot fast on my camera, and it takes quicker to buff the image, which means that when you're shooting, if you shoot like 20 images, you're not waiting for your card to reload so you can shoot again. So that's why you want to spend these. These aren't expensive at all, especially the SD side of it. My camera does take both SD and compact flash, and I shoot to both at the same time. But this is what I use. SanDisk is my trusted brand. Don't buy any off-brand memory cards ever. This is what your film is. This is what everybody's carrying. I use 64 gigs, and that will house about 600 images on my camera. So 64 or 32 are great. I recommend smaller cards rather than larger cards, so that if you do lose something from a card, you don't lose the entire set. But I do one card per portrait session. So this will be a portrait session that I use, and I will upload it when I'm done, and I'll go from there. So that's it. Memory cards, swipe up on the next page. You guys can grab some of those. I buy one new one a month, and then we toss them out every year, because that's what we do as professionals. Bye.
Guys, today's item of the day is pretty simple. Alexa, turn off Christmas tree.
Okay,
Alexa, turn on Christmas tree.
okay.
So guys, I do not have smart lights, but I have a smart outlet. So I have a little plug back here. If you guys can see that, baby. I'm gonna put a link to this. It's called like the Eti Kinji. I don't know what it's called, but it's amazing. It is Amazon approved, so it actually makes all of your dumb items into smart items. And what dumb items are they're items that don't have any sort of smart home capability built in. So you can do this. So basically it's just an outlet that goes into your wall. The link I'm gonna send you guys that you're gonna swipe up to gets you 4 for just under $40. So that's less than $10 an outlet, which is super cheap. I have 4 of these running right now in the house, and they're perfect and amazing and awesome. And they're great with any type of light source that you need to turn on and off with your voice, fans, and anything that you can always leave on. And as long as you turn on the outlet on or off, it will turn it on as well. So swipe up on the next one. This is an amazing gift and gadget to give to people. In fact, you can buy a pack of 4 and give it out to 4 people. Great for the lights and lamps that you guys use now. Bye. Swipe up. Ah. Are you happy baby all the time? Are you always the happy baby? Oh my God. Oh my God, you scared me. You were so happy. It was too happy. All right, guys, this item of the day is pretty simple. It is a laptop, although I call it a Mac stand, it's a laptop stand. This thing is pretty simple. All it is has a little mechanism in the back. You can open and close it as much as you want. You just take your MacBook. Oh no, Freddy Krueger. Freddy! It sits right there, just like that. So if you guys are docking your iMacs or docking your computers, this is a great way to store it. I'm a big fan of putting things away when I'm done. So this can sit on your desk, and you can actually, when you're done, put this away and just have it stand rather than sitting down. All the ports are shown here. So if you guys are docking or doing screens or anything like that, this is a great gift. This can actually fit any size laptop. If I turn it here, you'll see this little adjusting thing, and all it is adjusting, and it opens up, looks like maybe to about here. So a little bit further, a little bit chunkier. It's made for laptops. I'm sure you can put whatever you want in it. But this is a great gift idea for anybody that has a laptop, a Mac, or something that they can hold and store. It looks great on the desk. It actually matches the color of my iMac or my MacBook. And that's it. So I'm going to put a link, swipe up. You guys snag your own. Oh my God. It's John McClane. Are you talking all day? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Okay, bye. Hi, buddy. Hi. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. What'd you say? Did you say dada? Did you say dada? Dada? Da. Dada. You say dada? Say dada. 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 Say dada.
So you just want me to continue holding this? Yeah. Actually, do you like it? Nope. Okay. Because that's what I use just to keep them up on my waist.
What'd you say? Yeah. You like that? Why do you like it better?
Are all those crops? I know.
How much are these ones?
Is Austin's closing?
I don't know. I mean, sure, you brought me. It's both are crazy to me.
Is Austin closing too?
Hey, buddy.
Austin what? Closing too?
Hey, buddy, old pal.
I don't think he got here. Yeah, I think he got here earlier.
Clean your mouth? Clean your mouth? All right, go again. Yeah, good job. Good job. You go again? Go ahead.
I don't know, but I want it.
Hi. 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 Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy, old pal. Hey, buddy, old pal. Guys, the coolest item of the day is happening right now. All right, so item of the day. Thank you guys so much for all the support so far. It's going awesome. I will have a swipe up link after I'm done talking, but let's look at the next one.
Looks like he's gonna barf. What?
It's like, not if it tasted like the last bite.
Alrighty, Alright, Chloe, I think the house is complete. Well, do your tour first, I guess. Alrighty. Wait, don't come in yet. Did you come in? I'm coming up. No, okay, yeah.
A little bit of Godox. A little bit of Stay Lit Designs.